name's Rochelle Wright, and we're going to discuss today if boys are really better at math than girls. So I have my two children here, Maya, who is 11, and Coulter, who is 12, and we're going to do a little experiment on what they think about math between boys and girls. So I'm going to ask a couple questions, and then if you agree, take a step forward, and if you don't agree, just stay where you're at. Okay, do you think boys are better at math? If you agree, take a step forward. Okay. Do girls like math? If you agree, take a step forward. If you don't, take a step back. Okay. Do boys get better grades in math? If you agree, take a step forward. If you don't agree, stay where you are. Go back to where you are. Because if you don't agree, stay where you are. Okay. All right. So this is, you have to answer this one. So what are jobs that you normally see girls do that boys don't? So what's a job that you think a girl would do?
A lot more girls are like nurses and teachers.
Nurses and teachers, okay. Do you think that you need math for those types of jobs?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
And in the office, there's a lot more girls.
That's true, there are. Coulter, what about you? Do you think there's any jobs that girls normally take?
Not off the top of my head.
Okay, so you're right, Maya. Nurses need a lot of math because they have to calculate calculations for medicine or IV fluids when they give any kind of medicine or that kind of stuff. They need math. Teachers have to use math because first they have to know how to teach math, depending on what grades they teach, and if they're even in high school. Math is a lot of problem solving, and teachers have to know how to problem solve. They have to know how to help their kids understand things, and sometimes that takes problem solving. And you said working in an office. That is correct too, because working in an office, you have to know time management. That's problem solving. You have to know how to tell time and figure out how you need to arrange things. All of that is management. And if you're doing any kind of math, like any kind of book work, that includes math. So math is very important for all kinds of things. So medically speaking, boys and girls' brains react the same way when doing math. There is no scientific proof that either boys or girls are better at math. So, Maya, you guys have both completed past 4th grade. You're in 5th grade, you're in 7th grade. Do you know what your grade was in 4th grade in math?
B+.
Okay, Coulter, what did you have in math in 4th grade?
I think it was a B+.
Okay, so you guys are pretty similar in your math grades. So, boys and there is an article that was did a discussion or did some research, and they took boys and girls age 3 through 10 and had them do problem solving and math work and that they could understand and analyze their brains. And medically speaking, they did MRIs when they did this. There is no difference. Boys and girls react the exact same way when it comes to doing math. So there is no difference between boys and girls doing math. It's just a personal preference if you like math or if you don't like math.